Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply a do-it-yourself business card holder onto your inflatable. So this piece of vinyl right here represents the column you are applying this to. You want to do this while the inflatable is deflated and flat, and this is going to represent that surface. So as long as it's flat, you're ready to go, and then just follow along with these steps. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to round off these corners by trimming them. This just helps to keep the patch from peeling off, and it will make it last a lot longer. Next, I'm going to take a white pencil or any erasable pencil, and I'm going to trace the edges of the card holder. I'm tracing it where I want to apply it on the Moonwalk. Okay, now that it's traced, we're going to apply glue both to the Moonwalk and to the card holder. So I'm just going to use this vinyl cement glue and cover the traced area. It doesn't have to be a very thick layer of glue, but you do want to overlap the edges of the traced area just a little bit so that you make sure that the entire patch is covered with glue. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the card holder on the back. You just want to make sure to get all around the edges of the patch so that everything is covered. Okay, now both areas are covered in glue. You want to make sure not to apply this immediately. You want to let the glue dry for a minute or two until it becomes tacky, and it'll be a little cloudy by the time it's ready to apply. And so when that happens, we're going to put this on. Okay, the glue is a little bit tacky, and so we're ready to apply it. So we're just going to follow that traced area that we already put down and place the patch onto the Moonwalk. And then once you lay it all flat, just make sure to apply pressure to it for 5 to 10 minutes until the glue dries. Okay, the glue should be dry now, so once it's dry, you now have a finished, ready to go business card holder on your Moonwalk.